everyone, so welcome to the month of August again. As I told you guys, for this month I'll be doing a video every single day. Hopefully I can find enough content, so that means that I won't be doing a lot of makeup tutorials and I'll be doing mostly talking videos. And I like doing these kind of talking videos because I like doing things where I challenge myself to do something for a month, like for a 30-day period, because it allows me to talk to you rather than just sitting down and doing makeup. It allows me to talk to you. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna do the makeup, but it allows me to just let you guys know where I am, what's going on in my life, and also products that I've been really loving. So I have 2 videos that I'll be filming, 3 videos that I need to film 3 videos today. The lighting changed. That's what happens when you use natural lighting. Look at my eyebrows are completely, my eyebrows have disappeared. Right, but I mean, it's giving you glow realness, no? Yes. Anyway, so I want to talk to you guys about this Inglot fixing spray. Is it called Makeup Fixer? It's at Fontana Pharmacy, obviously. So this video is sponsored by Fontana Pharmacy. Listen, I'm just telling this right now. If you don't like me, you're not gonna like Fontana. If you don't like Fontana, you're not gonna like me. Alright, they must step up the makeup game. Alright, and I want to make it sure, I'm gonna say this already, anything with their Fontana, it's authentic, it's real, no fakes around here. Their Inglot makeup fixer. Now I heard somebody's review of this when I was looking at it, and I was like, oh, you know, I want to try that. The person said, oh, it left my face feeling really dewy, and I'm just like, after using this, I'm like, I do not know about that. Now you guys know, if you don't know, I have oily combinations. I have normal oily skin, so I have the oily combination, so I'm normal all over, and then I get oily on in this area, most in this area, like on my cheekbones and my nose, I get oily. Alright, everywhere else is completely normal. Now this makeup fixer, I caught myself sneaking this in my makeup artist kit because I don't have it in my kit. This makeup fixer, okay, I'm going to tell you guys what it does for me. It mattifies my makeup, and it allows my glow to be a glow, you know. It sets everything. Now I did do a video on my glow combo, which is what I'm wearing today, and it's the LA Girl highlight cream contour and the Inglot 03 sparkling dust. Now what I didn't tell you guys, I'm looking at my because somebody's passing and he will bark. What I didn't tell you guys is that, you see, with the cream highlight underneath, is that the powder sets it but not really, because it still looks dewy for the rest of the day. So that's what I love about this glow combo as well. Now what I noticed with this is that it makes my makeup last for the entire day. The entire day, and it's amazing. You know, the Tasha Dewy Skin Mist, which is the next one I'm going to do in this series. The Tasha Dewy Skin Mist, it gives you that bridal glow. It makes you very dewy, very glowy. That's what it does for me. So I can't wear that when I admittedly don't wear it. I hardly wear it because 1, I do get oily, and 2, I would only wear it if I'm somewhere where I'm going to be in the air conditioner for the entire day, and I want my makeup to look dewy and not as matte and not as set, you know. I want it to look like I have a couple work in, I've jogged a couple miles or whatever, but still looking glamorous. So what I'm trying to say is I'd use the Tasha when I want to look dewy, and I'd use my Inglot when I want my makeup to just set. And this doesn't make my makeup look dewy, it doesn't. It sets it, it makes it last for the entire day. It really does fix your makeup. I don't know what it is. And the first ingredient is water, and what you should look out for in your makeup is look at the first ingredient. Usually the first ingredient is what it's mostly comprised of, you know, or it has a little bit more percentage of the first ingredient than the other ingredients. And the first ingredient is water, which is telling you it is making the skin more refreshed. I love it, and I know this video is going to be pretty short, but I really love it, and I think it deserves a video all on its own. And as I say, me recording for 30 days, it allows me to tell you guys products that I'm absolutely loving, and this is definitely definitely one of them. So Inglot makeup fixer, sold at Fontana Pharmacy, online and also in stores. And if you're abroad, of course, you know, you can purchase this on your Inglot website, or England Australia, or England UK, or whatever. But for us here who we are in Jamaica, we can go to any single Fontana Pharmacy store and get it, or you can go to fontanapharmacy.com. and when you purchase at fontanapharmacy.com, if it's more than $50, then you get free shipping. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.